Okay, so record ko lang saglit kasi may gusto akong, sabihin all about sa industry natin 'no, sa overall, what happens in the world 'no. Ah, Before sobrang daming information 'no, and I'm very, very excited and, inspired to, learn stuff and, just understand things how it works. Currently sobrang daming free information ngayon, like every single thing, like lahat. Everything is, very, helpful and, sobrang daming information man. Sobra talaga free information. Lahat libre. Kaya mong matutunan lahat men. Technically, ikaw talaga masusunod, eh, like you can own your world 'no? Ikaw bahala sa kung anong gusto mong mangyari. There's abundance, abundance of knowledge. Kung marami ng knowledge before, mas marami pa lalo ngayon. Like sobrang dami talaga men. And, gusto ko lang sabihin is, minsan actually hindi minsan, most of the time nakaka-overwhelm siya. Lalo sa katulad ko na gustong matuto and, you want to be ahead or at least be updated when it comes to technology and, strategies and stuff, how to build a business, how to be successful, how to position yourself in a right direction, no? And I would say masaya rin at the same time kasi before I feel so alone when it comes to entrepreneurship 'no, business. Like, I don't know, wala pa kasi si Alex Hormozi nun, eh, or hindi ko pa siya kilala or hindi pa siya gano'n kasabog 'no. So, kasi sobrang gustong-gusto kong napapanood yung mga video ni Alex tungkol sa, Q&A sessions niya with other business owners 'no, and he's giving advice. It feels like a podcast in a way 'no. It feels so good kasi parang, okay, so may problema siya and stuff and sobrang necessary niya sa mga inaasikaso ko ngayon. And, there's just a lot of things that I want to learn, that I'm currently learning. Pero in a way medyo focused pa rin ako, like ni-let go ko yung music, learning about music for now, hindi yan focus. Ni-let go ko yung game development 'no, and other stuff. Even drawing 'no, pala, minsan lang, konti. Actually kahapon nag-drawing ako. But anyway, so I am quite focused pero na-realize ko lang talaga na, damn, sobrang daming high quality information sobrang daming information sa mundo 'no. And again, I always say this, sobrang fan ako ng Doctor Strange. Kasi yung Doctor Strange is almost like ano, eh, sobrang genius ni Doctor Strange, like meron siyang masteral and doctorate 'no. So, doktor siya 'no, magaling siya, matalino siya, meron siyang, ewan ko anong term, pictographic. I really think photographic in term that he has a photographic memory, so naaalala niya yung mga binabasa niya and stuff, which is good. And, tawag dito, the moment na nalaman niya na yung mundong ginagalawan mo, wala kang alam men. Kasi feeling niya genius siya, ang dami niyang inaaral and stuff, tapos nagulat ka sa whole world like, wow, 'no? Whole new world, like ang dami mong puwedeng gawin sobra. Gano'n kasi yung situation ko ngayon, eh, 'no. Actually maraming tao, not just me for sure. Like, ikaw ang masusunod, 'no. Kung ano mang gusto mong gawin or buuin, kaya mong buuin. It's just a matter of endurance or kaya mo ba, 'no. Will issue na 'to. So, I think that's one thing na gusto kong, i-highlight, 'no. Energy, how you spend your energy, your time, your willpower, your mental energy and endurance, you need to train it. Kasi again, technically lahat kaya mo ng gawin, like there are low limits. Napakakonti ng limits men, halos lahat kaya. Kailangan mo lang talagang pagpursigihan at, mas mag-focus ka pa. And it's kinda good din in a way kasi pabobo yung mga tao because of short form content. So, alam mo yun, sobrang daming information na libre na puwede mong iangat yung buhay mo 'no. Be strategic about it 'no, be smart about your life, you know. Ah, makatawid ka sa wealth gap, like makatawid ka sa kabila 'no, na okey, okey na tayo sa business. It's all about systems, eh, 'no? Kailangan mo lang siyang buuin. Para siyang Minecraft talaga literal men, literal para siyang Minecraft na kailangan buuin yung base mo. Alam mo ba sa Minecraft para sa mga nakaka-relate, once na makahanap ka ng isang manok, dalawang manok na kulong mo, set ka na for life pagdating sa pagkain. Hindi, actually kailangan din pala ng ano ba pinapakain sa manok, nakalimutan ko. Seeds, kailangan pa pala ng seeds. Basta ang point ko, basta magka-farm ka, 'no, farm plot ta's may seeds ka, ta's meron kang kahit anong dalawang hayop, okey ka na nun, eh, hindi ka na magugutom. It's almost like this, we need to build the infrastructure, 'no? Currently ako on my end, I think I have the knowledge already tsaka yung constant habit, yung ugali ko kasi again, I have a lot of bad habits that I'm trying to fix. But one thing that I'm in a way thankful about is updated ako. In a way, feeling ko naman, I might be a little bit behind kasi alam mo yun, meron pa ring super super advanced na mga tao, eh, 'no? But, I would say nasa second or third part ako. For example, may bagong update, like nalalaman ko na lang siya lately. Basta ang point ko dito is, I would say okey naman ako dun sa part na yun 'no, na-build ko naman na yun. Ang pinaka-issue ko so far is again, issue ng lahat din karamihan, which is yung attitude, not being late, working more hours, spending time loving what you do, be strategic on how you manage your emotions, your brain, which is again, once na-fix ko yun, naku, I'm going to be much more stronger, 'di ba? And that's also the reason why we're doing this, is to, have some accountability, ma-track ko na yung process ko and in public. Because again, before nag-record na ako men, ang dami kong record, like 3 years worth. Ang dami kong recording men. Again, nasa isang YouTube ko yun and, mostly naka-private siya, 'no, hindi ko siya pina-public. This is the first videos na naka-public talaga, 'no? Actually hindi na ako nahihiya kasi nga wala namang nanonood, which is so good, 'di ba? Pero in a way, I'm building myself, Napapalayo yung topic ko, yung pinagsasabi ko. Pero ang ibig ko lang sabihin is again, nakakatuwa 'no? Sabi naalala ko sa 2 Minute Papers, "What a time to be alive," 'di ba? It's so good, man. Abundance talaga. Daming knowledge, AI to help you absorb better, faster. Pero unfortunately, I would admit nagiging bobo rin ako pa rin. Kasi minsan tinatamad ka na mag-isip, ina-outsource ko yung hard thinking minsan sa AI, eh. Pero pag nasa momentum ako or kailangan, nag-iisip talaga ako. Especially the most important skill again na kailangan ko talaga ma-build as a business owner is systems thinking, even as a developer, 'no? Like, I would say, ayoko talaga ng term na vibe coder kasi hindi naman ako vibe, eh, iniintindi ko yung process, eh. I would say, AI engineer? Hindi naman ako meron akong ano, eh, tawag dito, meron akong bias, eh, nakalimutan ko yung term dun, imposter syndrome pala, meron akong imposter syndrome. Anyway, basta nagko-code ako tapos, tawag dito, nawala ako men. Basta yun nga, abundance man, abundance. So, it's just a matter of, ayun, systems thinking kasi sa business dun din nagwo-work. Everything is all about systems, you know, just have a healthier brain siguro. Uh, Execute faster, we just need to execute faster, bilisan pa kumilos. Mabilis na ako kumilos in a way, kaso mabilis din ako mapagod. It needs to be sustainable, 'no? Yun lang. Dami kong sinabi, pero yun lang. I'm just excited, ang dami kong natututunan and, there's just a lot of things going on, and, yeah, continue to sa training kasi again, my training is just edit faster videos. I am quite confident na once na mas ma-master ko pa yung craft ng pag-edit ng videos ng mas mabilis, feeling ko talaga sobrang saya. Kasi ang bagal ko mag-edit talaga men, but I'm building the systems, I'm training my mind 'no, I'm doing, whatever it takes actually. So, hindi naman sobra pero ang point ko dito is whatever works for me, whatever will help me improve, ginagawa ko 'no. Para naman na again, almost all of the things that I wanna build is video related 'no. I'm a video editor. I just need to be faster, it's mostly sa utak talaga siya men, hindi naman ako napapagod physically, eh. It's mostly mental and, habits, mental pathways kailangan ko siyang ma-rewire in a way na, tapusin na agad 'pag tapusin, gets mo? I know I can work faster, Again, I'm sure I'll figure it out. I'm not sure kung ilang buwan pa aabutin kasi it's years now, like, fuck years. 7, 8 years na ba ako nag-e-edit? Tagal na men, seryoso. Tangina magte-10 years na ako nag-e-edit, what the fuck? Seryoso ba? I think so. 6 years, 7. I think 8 years na ako nag-e-edit, the fuck? Pero again, just to clarify though, 3 years pa lang akong full-time na nag-e-edit, and again, sobrang bagal ko palagi. It's because of my attitude, you know? Anyway, so I know, I'll be better, I'm becoming better. Okay, so yun lang. Nakaka-excite lang again na maalala na everything is possible 'no, parang sa Doctor Strange na nasa library ka na, lahat kaya mong makuha 'no, mabasa, maaral. Nakadepende na lang yun sa'yo 'no, kung paano mo i-spend yung time mo, yung energy mo, alam mo yun, para di ka mapag-iwanan and, you know, again, makatawid sa wealth gap.